guys, Kid Scientist here. Today we'll be making hydrophobic sand. We have some sand which we just put in the oven. We heated the sand because we need to like sterilize it because we got this from the beach and dry it out as well. We have two types of waterproofers, Flex Seal and ScotchGuard. Hydrophobic sand is basically sand that is waterproof. So let's get right to it. It says keep me out of reach of children. No. You also might know the guy from Flexol from these videos right here. This is the ScotchGuard one, and we poured it in a glass just now. And this is the water. So remember, if this works, this should not get wet when it goes in the water. Ready? That's a lot. And let's do some more. Oops. It's kind of damp, but it's not really like, it's different. You can tell, oh, it is dry. And the stuff on the top, you can tell this stuff is working because it's floating. Some of this stuff is actually working. See like this dry bit right here? That stuff is hydrophobic. Look, there's like a barrier here. It's like blocking out all the water. See this like small cushion there. See? It's like, it's not even going, let's see what happens in the water. Oh, it's like, look what it looks like it's like jelly or something. So if I do this. It's dry. This is amazing. But now it's not dry. It is still kind of weird, even though it's kind of wet, it's kind of dry. I think it might have been, it stopped working when I took it out and exposed it to air. I think it has to be surrounded by all sides for it to work, maybe. If you actually know the reason, comment that down below. But what is really interesting are all these little sand dots. They're kind of dry. Like, see how they're like all, that's not normal sand behavior. And right on my finger right here, it kind of pops it. When it started. Okay, that was a cool experiment. I think that this worked, but I wouldn't recommend, I don't think it works that well. I would recommend doing this project, it's fun. But now let's try the Flex Seal. I'm pretty sure Flex Seal is like basically rubber in a can, and it's not gonna waterproof it. It might waterproof it, but it's just not gonna be sand. So let's try it. This Flex Seal. It's just kind of weird. Right. I would call this video a success and kind of a failure. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit that little bell.